All right. Here we come to the elevators at the Tianjin TV Tower in Tianjin, China. Look what we got. Looks like we got an Otis Series 1 and the button doesn't work. The button does not work. Looks like this is an Otis Elevonic 401. This is awesome. That one just left. I think these are Otis Elevonic 401s. Wow, I've never seen this in Asia. That one is out of service. Otis Elevonic 401 from 1991. This building was started in 1988 or 89, and it was completed in 1991. Anyways, I'm gonna pause for a bit and I'll come back to when the elevator's about to come down. It's about to be here.
你好，他那个就喜欢在电梯上照一下，然后让他自己摁一下这钮儿。
摁不了，这得我给这就直接摁完然后直达的，这个您没法摁。
哦，这已经就是
然后你可以照，但是不能摁。对，有没有设定完的？
行。
Yep, these are Otis Elevonic 401. These are fast.
Oh, 摁一下那开门。对，一会儿。
对，你一会儿那个到的时候，你可以摁一下。
This is awesome. Otis Elevonic 401. Thank you so much.
谢谢。
Your fixtures.
客气客气。
This is a nice elevator.
它一会儿可以出去拍，出去拍的话，那个会比电梯上拍的效果会更好一点。啊，您可以摁了，可以了。
Awesome.
谢谢啊。就照一些那个。
哦。
All right, we're gonna watch a close up. This is awesome. There it goes. And that's it. All right, we're going down now. Otis Elevonic 401. I've never seen those in Asia. I can hear it coming now.
您是我那个表弟特别喜欢电梯，你让他摁下这关门键，他就特别高兴，行吗？
这个不行，我们就有上头了。
就是让他比划一下，就摁一下，然后咱们就让他摁一下那个关门键，谢谢，快点摁一下。
All right, thank you so much.
电梯发烧友什么人都有啊。
Thank you so much for allowing me to operate. All right, I'm gonna start my camera when the door opens.
瞧瞧。